If you don't like yawning but still do it daily, then get ready to find out why. So why do we yawn? Scientists aren't entirely sure, but one theory is that yawning helps cool our brains. Just like a computer, our brains can overheat, and yawning might be the body's way of cooling things down. Did you know that yawning is contagious? Seeing someone yawn, even a picture, can make you yawn too. It's all about empathy. Our brains are wired to connect with others. And here's a fun fact. Yawning isn't just for humans. Animals yawn too, from dogs to monkeys. It's a way to stay alert and ready for action. So next time you yawn, remember, it's not just a sign of being tired. It's your brain's way of keeping cool and staying sharp. And if you catch a yawn from someone else, you're just showing your empathetic side. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you yawn during this video.